Um, let's say your story has sparked debate about authorship and intellectual property. What do you hope people take away from your experience? All the things you went through
I
for
didn't
many
go through
years.
anything. I didn't go through anything. With God in victory, you don't go through anything.
Okay.
People who are defeated and have lost go through stuff.
Okay.
People who are struggling and have lost and they're losers and defeated, they go through stuff. Winners don't go through anything. A
Oh, the thing
winner
is,
wins and a loser loses.
right.
But a
Okay.
winner doesn't quit until he wins, and a loser quit and he becomes a loser. But all winners that are successful, they win and becomes that because they do not quit.
Mm-hmm.
They succeed. So I never went through anything but success. That's
Okay.
why I'm here right now. Didn't have any struggles because God provides for you. Got victory in the courts, two default judgments. Got two judges recused off the bench, a magistrate judge and a federal judge. The mob have to kill him or threaten him off the bench. The Scientologists have to blackmail him off the bench. All I did was tell the truth, and they got off the bench
Okay.
when they were trying to sabotage my court case in Utah.
Okay.
And
Right.
won two default judgments. It's quite a feat. And this work was already mine, the copyrights, the trademark, which I hold to this day. And so they're the ones who went through something. But guys don't want to believe that because they're worth billions of dollars. So how could they lose unless they were going up against God?
Mm-hmm.
Think about that for a moment. They didn't
Mm-hmm.
go up against Sophia wisdom, God's wisdom. They went up against God and Jesus and Sophia's wisdom.
Mm. All right.
Do you see what I'm saying?
I see what you mean, yeah. Okay.
They
Um,
got billions of dollars where they could wrap law firms around the building. So ask yourself, how did they lose? And why is it they never had anything in the first place? Come on.
mm-hmm.
If Jesus and God didn't exist, and the whole story is about God and Jesus, it's not about transsexuals, it's not about homosexuality, it's not
Mm-hmm.
about pedophilism, it's not about any evil that's going to be done to harm others upon this earth. This
Right.
work was created to unplug you, not to for you to cut off your penis and put on a dress.
Mm-hmm.
Andy and Larry Wachowski, which they're lying about,
Mm-hmm.
or get us a name change, Lily and Lena, which they don't have, because anytime you commit a felony or you commit a criminal act, there's no judge that will give you a legal name change.
Hmm. Right.
So they've been lying for years, and so have James Cameron. They
Hmm.
don't own anything. They never owned anything. They never had any copyrights. They never had any trademarks. They never had any scripts with their names on it. It would
Right.
be fraud. They don't do interviews because it'll be a deposition where they will go to jail because it will be used against them.
Wow. Okay, that's deep. Okay.
Well,
Um,
you don't see any of them. You don't see James Cameron or Andy and Larry Wachowski's interviewing anywhere on TV. They can get on any station, but you've never seen them on there saying they own the Matrix or the Terminator.
no, only the interview like I seen. I'm not sure if it was in 1984 when he was doing the first Terminator. He did an interview. I'm not sure if it's
But he
1984
never
or
said he never said he owned it.
no. He said that he had a dream about this, and that's the reason why he made this movie because he had a dream about this.
Well, he could have had a dream, listen, because the copyrights were already in 81, 83, and 84,
Hmm.
February the 2nd, 84. And Matrix didn't, I mean, Terminator didn't come out until October the 26th, 1984, the film. So
84, right?
he could have had a dream after he read my book. After he
Okay.
read this book, saw the script, he could have had
The
a lot
third
of
eye.
dreams.
Mm,
You know what I said? He could have had a lot of dreams, but he didn't write it. He didn't create it.
yeah.
He don't own it. He never had any copyrights or trademarks or anything in his name.
Hmm.
So anybody can dream about something that's already out.
Right,
You could
right,
had a dream about the Lords of the Ring book and Lords of the Ring movie,
right.
the Maze book, the Maze movie, the Gravity book, the Gravity movie. Anybody can have a dream because the book has been out and published and selling way before the movies ever came out. So anybody can have a dream.
Mm,
Doesn't mean you created anything. Just meant you dreamt about what was already created.
Hmm.